when I ordered it, this wood was green in the image, so I thought it'd be cool to get clear grip tape. And then I realized that it's not green, it is pink. So I'm going to change the grip tape. Alright. I thought this would be a lot easier to take off. Did not realize how much of a pain it is to remove this stuff. Because it's not just peeling off. This is going to take forever. It's just peeling off in little pieces. It's kind of like, it wasn't necessarily pink. It's not necessarily pink, but with the grip tape on it, it made it pink. So I'm going to use the blow dryer. Bummer. Yeah.
But what do you feel? May I help you?
Fine. It's not as nice as I thought it would be, but it will work.
The bomb was on your top.